What number is 12.5% of 72? What number, this is my unknown, I'm going to call this n, is my equal sign. I have 12.5% of, stands for the multiplication, and I have 72. Okay? Now, because n is by itself, I can simply multiply these two numbers by themselves. That's why I'm going to write 12.5 times 72. 2 times 5 gives me 10. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Plus 0. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. I got 9,000, and don't forget that 12.5 is with percent. That's why I have 9,000 percent. Now, please notice that I have one decimal place, so that's why I have to move my decimal point once to the left. So the answer from my multiplication is simply 900%. But my problem is not asking for percents, it's asking for the decimal number, because it says what number, doesn't says what percent. Okay, so this is what number means I have to find the decimals. So we said anytime I want to find a decimal number, I have to divide percent number over 100% and move my decimal point twice to left. I'm going to have 900% over 100%. Percent and percent will cancel out, and anytime there is no decimal point, you have to make it visible at the end of the number and move the decimal point twice to the left. So answer is equal 9. This is the solution to the problem.